Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about custom hooks. Custom hooks in React enable developers to modularize and reutilize component logic through standalone functions. This approach fosters logic sharing across components without resorting to higher-order components, 8Cs, or render props. For instance, a custom hook for handling form validation can be employed across multiple form components, streamlining code maintenance and promoting code reusability and consistency. Custom hooks are JavaScript functions prefixed with use, e.g. useEffect, useState, that leverage built-in React hooks such as useState and useEffect to handle state and side effects. For instance, a custom hook useWindowWidth could combine useState and useEffect to track the window width, updating state when the window is resized. This encapsulation of logic allows for reusable and modularized code in React applications. Custom hooks in React are reusable functions that let you encapsulate logic and state management for components. In the given Python example, a custom hook named useFetch is created to fetch data from an API using the useState and useEffect hooks. The useFetch hook takes a URL as a parameter, initiates a state variable data using useState, and fetches the data from the provided URL using an asynchronous function within the useEffect hook. Once the data is fetched, it updates the data state using setData. By using this custom hook, components can easily fetch data from APIs without duplicating code. For instance, a component in a weather app could use the useFetch hook to fetch weather data from a third-party API and display it on the user interface. Custom hooks are a valuable asset in React development for enhancing code reusability and maintainability. By encapsulating logic into separate functions, custom hooks facilitate the sharing and utilization of common functionality across various components within a React application. For instance, a custom hook designed to handle form validation can be employed in multiple forms across the application, streamlining development and ensuring consistency. This efficient approach not only minimizes code duplication, but also simplifies the integration of complex functionalities, ultimately enabling a more scalable and organized codebase. Custom hooks in React allow developers to extract reusable logic from components and share it across different parts of an application. By creating custom hooks, developers can avoid code duplication and simplify the management of complex logic. For example, a custom hook can be created to handle form validation logic and can be easily used in multiple components where form validation is required. This enhances code reusability, improves maintainability, and makes the code base more organized and efficient. Imagine you have a toolbox with different tools that you frequently use for different tasks. Custom hooks are like having a personalized tool that combines the functionality of multiple tools into one convenient package. Instead of reaching for and using multiple tools separately, you can just use your custom tool for a specific task. Similarly, in programming, custom hooks allow you to create reusable logic that can be easily implemented across different components without having to rewrite the same code each time. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The useCalculateTotalCost custom hook is designed to compute the total cost of items in a shopping cart. It uses React hooks for managing state and side effects. The hook takes an array of items as a parameter and returns the total cost. Within the hook implementation, the React.useState function initializes the total cost state variable to 0. The React.useEffect hook is used to calculate the total cost whenever the items in the cart change. It loops through each item in the array, multiplies the price by the quantity, and accumulates the total cost. The setTotalCost function is then called to update the state with the newly calculated total. In the shopping cart component, the useCalculateTotalCost hook is invoked with the items array containing information about the products in the shopping cart. The component renders a list of items, displaying their names, prices, and quantities. Additionally, it shows the total cost computed by the custom hook. By leveraging custom hooks like useCalculateTotalCost, developers can encapsulate complex logic and promote code reusability across different parts of the application. This example illustrates the ability to separate concerns and enhance the maintainability of React components through custom hooks. One industrial application of custom hooks can be found in e-commerce platforms. For instance, in a real-world scenario, a shopping cart feature could utilize a custom hook like useCalculateTotalCost to dynamically calculate and update the total cost of items in the cart as users add or remove items. Another practical application could be in a fitness tracking application, where a custom hook is used to calculate and display the total number of calories burnt based on the user's workout activities. The custom hook could take in an array of workout data and calculate the total calories burnt, providing a dynamic and real-time update to the user. Across the globe, custom hooks offer a powerful way to encapsulate logic and share it across different components, making code more modular, reusable, and easier to maintain in various industrial contexts. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.